Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to give you a quick and dirty update, no fancy video setup this time because I just came up from rehabilitation from my injury, and I just wanted to show you the upgrade that I made to my luggage rack on my bike. Uh, this was the old GV plate for the top case, the metal top case that's set on the bottom, and it's super ugly. It's all plastic, but it's also super heavy because it has like this insane metal reinforcement on the bottom, and I really don't like that. And to be honest, I'm trying to ditch the top case, especially for long trips. Maybe I'll save them in the future for more commuting stuff, but for trips I wanted to get rid of the top case. So I tried to design something out of my own, getting some inspiration from existing stuff that I saw on the internet. So this is what I did. So as you can see, this is the tail of the bike, and I just started a few weeks ago on this cardboard model straight on the tail of the bike, so that I could have some reference on measurements and all. Then I switched over to a plastic sheet kind of thing, so that I would have more rigidity in the structure of it, and I could also play a little bit with the bend angles, where and how many holes I wanted to have all over the place, where exactly to put them. And as you can see, I only work on half of the material because the whole point of this was to be mirrored on the other side. Then I contacted a local company, a fabrication company, working sheet metal, laser cut, that kind of stuff. And I agreed to them that I would supply the CAD file for all of this. I got in touch with my dear friend Milena that helped me design the logo in the first place, and she suggested we would incorporate the logo and the inscription in the design itself. We worked on it a little bit together. She was a great help for me, and this is the prototype that I got. This is 4 millimeters aluminum or aluminium, depending on where you're watching this video from. And then this is the final product, because this is only the prototype. This is the final product after being sandblasted just a couple of days ago, and with a couple of coats of matte spray lacquer to protect the surface. Hope you like it, and I hope you can get some inspiration for some jobs of yours. Cheers!